Hey, what's up, Flitz fans? It's Graham here from Team Flitz. I'm at a friend's house today to do a little cleaning and restoration with the Flitz Instant Brass and Copper Tarnish Remover. You're probably asking yourself, what are you using this thing on? This bad boy right here. This chimney has been done with Flitz polish over 2 years ago, and it still looks great. With all that heat coming up through this chimney, it didn't even burn itself off. But over time, dust, dirt, things in the air, got a little dull. So we're going to spray this on and wipe it right off and bring it right back to life in just a few quick minutes. So check this out. Alright, we're going to take the Instant Brass and Copper Tarnish Remover right to this surface. Now normally what you do is just spray this directly right on and then rinse it right off with water. But as you can tell, we're in a house and I don't want to get this sprayed all over the place and damage anything at all. So I'm going to spray a little bit of this onto a cloth, wipe it, and then just rinse it right off. So watch how fast this works. I don't know if you can make that out, but look at that. Within seconds. Boom! Right back out to new. Now, I'm just going to grab my water bottle here, spray a little water onto a dry cloth. And wipe it off. That neutralizes the process. Dry it right off, and within seconds, right back out to new. Alright, we got one panel down, a few more to go. Got my ladder out, time to get to it. All right, we're gonna do something really quick and a little funny with this product. Watch this. That's how happy this product makes me. Well, there you have it, the power of the Flitz Instant Brass and Copper Tarnish Remover. Hope you like what you see. If you want to find out more information on this product, check it out at flitz.com. Thanks once again, and remember, Flitz it. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you like what you saw, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram too.